Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 6th Canto, 1st Chapter, text number 24, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 24th of May, 1976, in Honolulu, Hawaii.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam.
So, he was engaged in maintaining the family. Everyone is engaged like that. Cats and dogs also do that. It is not very extraordinary thing. Sometimes they say, it is my duty. Yes, it is duty. But the prime duty is to solve the real problem. How to stop mrityu, janma mrityu janavati. That we forget. Minor duties we take from them. That is the present situation. They do not know that there is life after death, and according to our karma we are getting the next life. This morning we are discussing. Krishna is always ready. They automatically, it is going on. Karanam gunasammas, as you desire, according to the contamination of different modes of material nature, immediately the body is ready. Immediately after death. So, everyone is engaged in so-called duties, but forget the real duty. This is called Maya. By the spell of Maya, we forget what is the objective of life, what is the aim of life. This is called Maya. We are thinking this is our duty. No. Real duty in the human form of life, if here is a chance, whether you want to go back to home, back to Godhead, or again you want to go to hell, the repetition of birth and death, that is your choice. Otherwise, why there are so many scriptures, religious systems all over the world? It is not only in India, according to the capacity of understanding in every civilized human society, there is a system called religion. It may be Hindu religion, Christian religion, or Buddha religion. These are major religious systems. But the aim is how to make a solution of the problems of life. But because they do not seriously discuss nowadays the religious propensity, tendency of the human society decreasing. It has become also money-making business. The priestly order, they think as others make some money by working hard, by professional or by doing some business or working. So we shall also earn some money by showing the church or the temple or the mosque. They have taken it like that. Therefore people have lost faith in religion. This is the reason. Because those are in charge of the religious department, the Brahmanas, those who are in charge of religion, the priestly order or the Maulavis or the Brahmanas, they are the same order. Their duty is to keep people enlightened in the real mission of life. That is their duty. But if they are also doing the same thing, sense gratification, how long they can cheat others? That's what people have lost faith in religion. This is the position. But that is not good, because the system of religion has become polluted. We should not give up religion. That is our prime duty. Dharma is Tasya eka vishesha. What is the difference between animal and man? The animal has no religion. They have no religion. Eating, sleeping, sex and defense. Ahara, nidra, bhaya, samana method. This is very easy to understand. The dog is eating, I am eating. Dog is sleeping, I am sleeping. Dog is enjoying sex, I am also enjoying sex. Dog is also afraid, I am also afraid. So what is the difference between dog and me? The only difference is that dog has no religion, I have got religion. So if I give up religion, life of religiosity, then I am equal to dharmena hina paduvi sama. So, the Sajami, on account of bad association with prostitute, he lost his character and he became thief, cheater, and somehow or other bring money. So in this way, while he was maintaining his children and family, then the time of death came. That will not wait. I have not finished my duty, family duty. Please wait 3 years more. Oh, that is not possible. So, Kalo Agat. Kalo ati Agat Mohan Rajan Astasiti Ayusha Sama. He began very old, 88 years old. Astasiti. Asta means 8, Asiti means 88. So in this way, Astasiti Ayusha Sama. So at that time, he had 10 sons. Tasya Prabhayasa Putra. And he begot so many children. The number is 10. So, Putra, how many? Dasa. 10. 10 children here. Tesham tu jo abava. Out of the 10 sons, the youngest son, Tesham tu jo abava, Bala, the child, Narayana Namna. He kept the name Narayan, Narayan Das. Just like you give name, told in his head. So, this is his great fortune. He gave the youngest son the name Narayan. Naturally, father, mother becomes affectionate to the youngest kid. So, by way of calling the young child, he was chanting Narayan. This is a very good system, that if you keep the name of your children, Narayana, Govinda, Krishna, Rama, then you will get some chance to chanting this Hare Krishna. Therefore, in India, still the system is they keep some name which is with reference to Krishna. He has got thousands of names. So we can keep one name so that he will have the opportunity of repeating, chanting the holy name of the Lord. So, Balo Narayana na Pitrusha Dvaita Brisam Niriksamana Tarjuna. And the child is walking, the child is doing something, coming to the mother, capturing this lila, this pastime. Niriksamana lila, move. It was very, very peaceful. Jaratu Brisam, in this way. Bhunjana Prabhuvan Sakhadan Balakam Snehajantrita Bhujan Payayan Mula Navida Agata Abdagam. He was very busy in enjoying the child's, I would say, pastimes and feeding him And taking him in this way, he was very much pleased. My life will go like this. But the time of death came. Bhojan papayana mudha naveda agatam antakam. Antakam means the last day of life. Antakam means death. So, that is called Maya. You are thinking that I have arranged everything, things are going very nicely, and now I am very happy. But all of a sudden, the death comes. That you cannot avoid, all of a sudden. That is, death is described in the Bhagavad Gita. What is that death? The death is Krishna, or God. That is stated in this Bhagavad Gita. Mrittu sarva harascha aham. That means, when death will come, your all asset, your so-called children, your family, your bank balance, your friends, your country, your leadership, your pride and everything will be taken. That will be taken by Krishna. The atheist class who does not believe in God will see God at the end of life when he cannot do anything. But before that, if he sees God, then his life is saved. Tattadi hang punarjanma naiti mami. But that he will not say. What is God? I don't get it. There is no God. All right. Wait. God will come. And at that time he said that the Hiranyakashipu, he always defied the son's small child, 5 years old boy. His only fault was he was chanting Hare Krishna. And even the father, but to speak of others, he became his enemy. So don't think that Krishna consciousness will go without any difficulty. There will be so many difficulties. Even your father will be enemy. This is the history says. So, this father, Hiranyakashipu, he defied God. Who is God? I am God. You take my name. The child said, my dear father, you are not God. He never addressed his father as father. He addressed him the best of the Asuras. My dear best of the Asuras. So sadhu manne surabhajyati. After all, the relationship is father and son. So one day, the father took him, my dear son, what you have learned, the best thing from your teachers, tell me. Yes, I will tell you. What is that? The sadhu manne asurabhajya. He never addressed father. Oh, the best of the Asura. Asurabhajya means the best of the Asura. The sadhu manne, I think that is very good thing. What is that? The sadhu manne asurabhajya nam sada samudhi viginati yam asadgraha. All these people, they are simply full of anxiety. That's bad. Who is not full of anxiety? Those who are in this material world, who can say, no, I have anxiety. That is not possible. Either you become President Nixon or in the street beggar, there is anxiety. At any moment, danger may come. They are busy. So, the child said, my dear, best of the Asura, I think that is the best thing for the persons who have accepted this material body, asadgraha. Why anxiety? The anxiety is because this material. I am thinking of, I may be hurt. Oh, who's that heart? The heart means body. The soul is never hurt. Soul is eternal. Nannate hannamane sarire. That they do not know. They think, this body, I am this body. So I will be hurt, I will die, I will this and so much suffering. Simply anxiety. How I shall protect my body, how I shall protect my bodily relationship, everything in connection with body. That everything is asat. The body is asat, perishable, or temporary. So whatever you have got in relationship with this body, my country, my society, my bank balance, my money, my wife, children, everything in body, they are also temporary. So they are very, very anxious. That's sadhu manne. So I want to relieve that from this anxiety. What is that? That's sadhu manne surabhaddadina sada samadvigna dhyama sadgraha. Then what do you advise? Hityatu ghatam griyaram kupam. Is fallen in this dark region of black way. This family life. He said, Hityatu ghatam griyaram kupam. Griha, we can take this material world, is also the sky. That is also another bondage. Either in society, or in country, or in this body, or within this material universe, wherever you are. That is andhakupa, dark way. So he advises, give up this dark. Nityatmaghatam, because it will kill you. In this dark well you will be killed. It's like the dark well means if you are put into the dark well, you will be killed. So nityatmaghatam griham kupam Banangato ja rimasayata. That is the first. You should give up this dark well and go to the forest. Banam, come to Vrindavan. Banam means forest. We have constructed very nice temple. Come there. And Banangato ja rimasayata. Banangato means to come to the forest. What is the business? The business is to take shelter of Krishna. Then he will be free from all his life. Banangato jata. Otherwise, like monkey, descendants of monkey, if you go, the monkeys are in the forest, but they do not take shelter of Hori. And that simply going to the forest is no use. One has to take shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna. Banangato jata harimasa. Therefore Krishna has made this Vrindavan. Anyone goes there, he gets shelter of Krishna's lotus feet and his life becomes successful. Thank you very much.